There we go. That'll do. Lawnmower Detective. Go to his channel. He's got a heart as big as gold. And subscribe, like, hit the activate notifications button. We got to get this guy up to 1,000 subscribers, you guys. Most of the other people that you see on this wall here are at 1,000 subscribers. So we got to get him going. There's different ways you can do it, but just go to his channel and subscribe. Please, for me. He's been more than gentlemanly and nice to me and mine, so just go there. Thank you. All right, this is a good size 2700 psi 2.3 gallon per minute pressure washer. It's been sitting for too long, go figure. And I'm just full disclosure, I tried this about just a little while ago here, and it did fire, but I'm going to show you guys. Don't want to put too much in to flood it. Turn the engine on. It was on. Let's just see if we can make it bark. Okay. So now you're up to speed. Briggs and Stratton Craftsman pressure washer. My friend Barry, I worked with him for years. Says it's just sat too long. He did fog the pump. You listening? He did fog the pump with no freeze additive. So he says the pump's good. We'll see. When it comes to pressure pumps, when you're, like they say, when you're from Missouri, it's the show me state. Well, when it comes to pressure pumps, I believe it when I see it. So first thing I'm going to do, get my little carb kit out. Unless we get lucky on the magic bolt, the $5 million bolt. We need hemostats to shut the gas on. Good. And I'm just going to take that bottom bowl off there. 1/2 inch wrench. I'm going to use a 1/2 inch ratchet wrench. Spilling, oh yeah, it's old fuel. Good. Oh, well, it looks like I can see through it. I was hoping to do a dark and dirty on this one. Which all that means is clean out the bottom bowl here. Bowl nut. That looks better. Okay, let's take the bowl off. Oh, okay. There's the tapioca gel I was telling Barry about. But there's more than one way to... Oh, can't say that. The cat lovers are out there. I'm going to get my shooter upper. I'm going to just shoot some fuel right into the emulsion tube. I wonder if I can see that. I don't think so. And then we'll clean out the bowl. So look at that, Barry. Tapioca gel. Okay, I wonder if we've got it. Let's just try it. I'm going to let the gas go now. See if we get any flow. No. Oh, I don't want to take that carburetor off. There we go. Good. Okay, let's block it up now. I don't mind spilling a little bit of gas. Okay, let's wipe this up. Definite fire hazard. Okay, I used that fuel to clean up the mess. You think she'll fire? Let's lower it down a little bit. It's an automatic choke one, which kind of chokes me up. Okay, now we're going to see if it squirts. How do I do this? I guess I bring the hose in. Okay, let's go get the hose. I'll be back. Okay. Pump. Started over there by the bench. Now we'll just... Oh, I see. I'll uncoil this maze of cables here. Okay, this is just the pressure from the hose. We'll set that across there like that. And we'll make it go. On. How are you going to get a better look at this? Oh, me. I guess like that. And then we'll turn it. Let's go right out. We'll look in. There we go. Come on. What's wrong? Are we disconnected somehow? I'll turn it on. That might help. Me no think he pump worky. Okay, we might have to do it that way. let's try that now. Now we'll see if the bypass valve works. You guys have got to get out of the way now.